Welcome back to the channel. If you are dealing with a damaged car bumper and need a quick and reliable fix, you are in the right place. Today we are reviewing the top 7 car bumper repair clues to help you get your vehicle looking as good as new. Whether it's a minor crack or a significant dent, these products offer effective solution to make your repair job a breeze. Let's dive right in. At the first position of our list, we have the Weld BumperWeld, specifically designed for automotive bumper repairs. This product is renowned for its exceptional bonding strength and durability. Weld BumperWeld features a unique formula that adheres to plastic, metal and fiberglass, making it versatile for various bumper materials. The epoxy comes in a two-part system, a resin and a hardener. When mixed, it forms a strong, permanent bond that can withstand high temperatures and impacts. The working time is around 15 minutes, allowing ample time to apply and adjust before it sets. Once fully cured, Weld BumperWeld provides a tough and resilient repair that can be sanded and painted to match your vehicle's color. This adhesive is highly resistant to water and chemicals, making it an excellent choice for areas exposed to harsh conditions. Whether you're dealing with cracks, splits or other damage, Weld BumperWeld offers a reliable solution to restore your bumper's integrity and appearance.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have the Gorilla Max Strength Clear Construction Adhesive. Known for its powerful bonding capabilities, this adhesive is a go-to for many DIY enthusiasts. The clear formula is designed for a variety of surfaces, including plastic, metal, wood and concrete, making it a versatile choice for bumper repairs. Gorilla Max Strength is ideal for repairs where aesthetics are crucial, as its transparent nature ensures that the glue won't be visible once dried. The adhesive features a fast set formula allowing you to complete your repairs quickly. It sets within 30 minutes and achieves full strength in 24 hours. The product's durable bond is resistant to water, chemicals and extreme temperatures, which is essential for automotive applications. Gorilla Max Strength is also flexible, accommodating the natural expansion and contraction of bumper materials without compromising the repair. This makes it an excellent choice for ensuring long-lasting results and maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Next up at number 3, we have Permatex 81158 Black Silicone Adhesive. This adhesive is formulated specifically for automotive use, providing a strong and flexible bond that is perfect for bumper repairs. The black silicone adhesive is particularly useful for matching darker bumper colors and for repairs in areas that are prone to flexing. Permatex 81158 features a high temperature resistance, making it suitable for areas that experience heat from the engine or sunlight. It also offers excellent resistance to water, oils and other automotive fluids. The adhesive is designed to be gap-filling, which is ideal for sealing and repairing larger cracks or gaps in bumpers. The application is straightforward, with a curing time of 24 hours to achieve full strength. It's also designed to be paintable once fully cured, allowing you to blend the repair seamlessly with the rest of your bumper. This adhesive's durability and flexibility makes it a reliable choice for maintaining your vehicle's aesthetic and structural integrity. The number 4 position is held by Gorilla TwoPart Epoxy, which is renowned for its quick setting and high-strength bond. This epoxy comes in a convenient dual syringe package that ensures precise mixing of the resin and hardener. It's ideal for repairing plastic bumpers, providing a tough and durable bond. The 5-minute set time makes this epoxy a great option for those who need a fast repair after mixing. The epoxy begins to set in just 5 minutes, which allows for a quick application and adjustment process. Full curing occurs within 24 hours, during which the epoxy achieves its maximum strength and durability. Gorilla TwoPart Epoxy is resistant to impacts, water and most chemicals, making it a versatile choice for various automotive repair needs. The epoxy can be sanded and painted after curing, enabling you to achieve a smooth and seamless finish. This product is perfect for those who need a reliable and efficient solution for bumper repairs. The number 5 position is dominated by Loctite Clear Silicone Sealant 2.7 Fluid Ounce. This sealant is designed for automotive and general purpose repairs, offering a flexible and waterproof bond that is ideal for bumper repairs. The clear formula ensures that the adhesive remains invisible after application, maintaining the aesthetics of your vehicle. Loctite Clear Silicone Sealant is highly resistant to extreme temperatures, making it suitable for both hot and cold conditions. It also provides excellent adhesion to a variety of materials, including plastic, metal and glass. The sealant is perfect for filling gaps, cracks and seams in bumpers, ensuring a durable and long-lasting repair. The application process is straightforward and the sealant can be used both indoors and outdoors. It typically typically cures within 24 hours, providing a strong and flexible bond once fully set. The sealant's versatility and durability make it a valuable addition to your car repair toolkit. Next up, at number 6, we have amazing Goop 150011 Plumbing Adhesive. While originally designed for plumbing repairs, this adhesive has proven to be highly effective for automotive applications, including bumper repairs. The adhesive is known for its strong bonding capabilities and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for various repair needs. Amazing Goop is designed to bond to a wide range of materials including plastic, metal, and rubber. Its flexibility allows it to accommodate the natural movement of bumper materials, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of the repair. The adhesive also provides a waterproof seal, ensuring that the repair holds up well even under different weather conditions. The application is easy and the adhesive sets quickly, allowing for a prompt repair process. Full curing takes about 24 hours, during which the adhesive achieves its maximum strength. For those looking for a reliable and versatile adhesive, Amazing Goop offers a practical solution for fixing bumpers and other automotive parts. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have 3M Neoprene Contact Adhesive 10. This contact adhesive is well regarded for its strong and flexible bond, making it suitable for automotive bumper repairs. The adhesive is designed to bond a variety of materials including plastic, metal, and rubber, providing a versatile solution for different repair scenarios. 3M Neoprene Contact Adhesive 10 offers a high-strength bond that is resistant to water, heat, and chemicals. The adhesive is ideal for repairs that require a durable and long-lasting fix. Its flexibility ensures that the repair can withstand the natural movement of the bumper without compromising the bond. The application process for 3M Neoprene Contact Adhesive is user-friendly. Simply apply a thin layer to both surfaces you wish to bond, allow it to dry for a few minutes until tacky, and then press the surfaces together. The adhesive sets quickly, making it suitable for those who need an efficient repair solution. Full strength is achieved after 24 hours, allowing the adhesive to provide a robust and resilient. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 best car bumper repair glues for a quick fix. Whether you are dealing with a small crack or a more significant dent, these products offer reliable solutions to get your vehicle looking great again. Remember to choose the adhesive that best fits your specific repair needs and follow the application instructions for optimal results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.